What's up, guys? Here, welcome back with another video. Today we have something little different from what we usually post. Today we're gonna be going over a tutorial how to fix your sound, specifically your mic, if you are having issues with background noise going off. When you're talking, and even when you're quiet, we're gonna teach you how to turn basically those noises off when you're quiet or even when you're talking. So, if you guys like the video, please like and subscribe, and this is 100% working. I've seen other videos where they ask you to download different programs. Here you're just gonna be downloading two. This is for PC. You're gonna be downloading two easy programs. It's gonna take you less than 5 minutes, but it's really easy, guys. So say for example, you just barely unbox your microphone and you think it's gonna sound really nice, and it does. However, you need some filters. So now, if you're running, say for if you're streaming or going live or anything like that on Facebook, YouTube, Twitch, whatever, and you're using Streamlabs OBS or OBS, you could essentially add filters to your microphone, which are gonna help you, and your sound, your noise is gonna be canceled, and your sound is gonna be from coming out from your microphone is gonna be really really nice, right? However, it's when you're not using that certain application that I'm talking about. So basically, if you're doing anything else then that has to do with OBS, like if say for example you're streaming on YouTube or Twitch and whatever, and that noise is gonna be good. The noises in the background are not gonna come out in your stream. You could record this just like I'm doing it right now. You could record without the noises coming out because you have this filters enabled. Now, this is assuming you're using this software. However, if you're using your microphone for anything else than that, so say for example you're doing two things at once, like streaming and playing video games. Now, the microphone, if you're using the same microphone to play video games at, like I do to play Call of Duty, this doesn't the filters from here don't transfer over to your main audio from your game, basically. And your audio from your game is just terrible. You have air conditioners going back in the background. Your dog is barking, the neighbors are doing something, whatever, anything like that. So I'm going to teach you how to cancel that in real time audio, basically really just two programs. So really easy, you don't need to buy anything, simple installation. I have been struggling for this specific problem for the past week, for hours trying to download drivers. I thought it was something wrong with my computer, but that's not the case. So turns out all you need is basically a noise suppression, but that doesn't run through OBS, so it could run through your mic at all times, basically. So all right, so let's so first of all, what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to go and download Voicemeeter. I'm using Voicemeeter Bananas, so you could download that one, or you could just download the Voicemeeter itself, or you could do the potato. I'm doing this one. I like this one. You know, it doesn't really matter what you choose. So now, once you download that, I'm gonna teach you the little settings that you have to put. But what you also want to go ahead and download is you're gonna go here and you're gonna go to Krisp. Basically, what this does, it has a noise removal in the background, and you're able to use it at all times. It's works different from having to download any. I seen other videos that I tried them, it didn't work, they didn't work. So download this one. You are gonna have to create an account, I think. I don't know if you could download it without it. It's gonna ask you like couple of questions, then just you could write anything whatever you want, and just go ahead and download it. Once you download it, you go in the app, and so these are the settings that you're gonna want to put on. So first of all, you're gonna go here. Once you already download it, right? You're gonna launch the app. So this is gonna pop up right here. Let me go ahead and take this off. So this is gonna pop up, right? Now, what you're gonna put here, it has nothing to do with this. So first, go ahead and deal with this one. You're gonna, you're gonna create your little account. Now, you're gonna add your microphone, whatever microphone you're using as your main microphone. You're gonna put it. Don't put Voicemeeter here. Don't do that. I tried it, didn't work. So put your base microphone here, then go ahead and put whatever you're using for your audio in the bottom, right? So you're gonna leave that aside. Put noise removal. Now again, your microphone, right? So now you're gonna go here. Well, what first you're gonna go to Voicemeeter after that, and for your you're gonna go here, and then for the first hardware input, you're gonna, instead of putting your regular microphone, then now you're gonna put Krisp microphone. So basically what you did here is, here you put your, in the first app, you put your original microphone, then here you put your headset. Here you're gonna put this, which is the Krisp microphone. You're gonna put it here, right? And then for your, this is basically going to be your audio, right? Now for your A1, if you guys are familiar with the with this software, if not, go ahead and look at videos how to set it up. It's really easy. This is just the, the basics, basically what you need to put. Here you're gonna put your audio, the same one as this one, what you're using to get audio through your headset. So for me is this one. Okay, we're gonna leave it as that. Now you're gonna, if you want to test how it's working, you're gonna go ahead and enable A1. That is gonna make you hear yourself. So you could do that while you're testing it to see if it was working or not. All right, we're gonna go ahead and disable it. Now these are the settings that you're gonna want to put. So once you go ahead and do that, you can go ahead and paste this. So this is basically the microphone. You're gonna put it, I have it just named as blue. So this is just microphone with microphone. You put A1 if you want to be able to hear yourself. I don't want to do that. So, and then these are just your outputs. So for whatever you want to listen to. So what you're gonna do, basically, I like having my voice here. Don't worry about this one, it's already disabled. My voice here, I think, is the best one. So it gives you a little crisp, in your voice. Now, what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna go to the gate, and you're gonna set it up somewhere where you're not able to pick up the background noise anymore. Now, this is maybe not as important. You're not gonna need this one no more, because all your sound overall, the one in the background noise, the one that you want, is gonna be suppressed by this. So you don't really need this one. However, it's just a plus on top of it. It's better to have it than not. So that's essentially when you're quiet, little noises in the background are not gonna get picked up unless you talk about a certain threshold. So you're gonna want to put it whatever works for you, anywhere from, I think, 3 to 6 or 7. You don't want to go over that, because then it's not gonna be able. You're gonna be cutting. You're not gonna be able to pick up your voice sometimes. So anywhere from 3 to 5, that's gonna be the noise gate. That what that does is just, it's a threshold. So you need a certain amount of volume in your voice to pick up any noise coming out. But that itself alone, that's why you need this program, because this by itself alone, Voicemeeter, it gives you the noise gate. However, when you talk, you're still gonna be able to hear those background noises that this is not letting them go through. But once you talk to the mic, it opens it, so you're able to pick up if your air condition is going on in the back, your dogs are barking. You're able to pick it up. Now, this is just gonna remove it. So you're gonna go ahead. So like I said, you're gonna put your Krisp microphone here, and then your output here, your headset. So now you're gonna go. Basically, this is already set up. So your microphone is going here to this little application, then your audio is going through here already filter out with the noises that you don't want. And this is just, if you learn how to use Voicemeeter, you could do way more other things. But we're just going over the basics to eliminate that noise right now. So basically, at this point, your noise is already filtered out without using uh Streamlabs, OBS, and this. So basically, it's already filtered out. So now we're gonna go to sounds, and it's gonna open this little task. Now for playback, here what you want to do is you're gonna set this one as your default Voicemeeter input. Don't put the aux. Never put this one. Put this one. Set it as default. Press OK. This is gonna be for your playback. This is gonna be for your playback. This is gonna be so this system here. You put your headset. Now this is gonna be set as your default for your playback to listen to whatever is going in through your. Go ahead and close that. Here, pretty much, you are gonna be done. What you're gonna do now is if you are using Battle.net or whatever, for that, for those sounds to be able to, for them to be able to pick up in your actual game, what you're gonna want to do is go to settings. You're gonna go to voice chat, and you're gonna you for the output. You're gonna want to go to Voicemeeter input. Same thing as you using, it's gonna give you the other options. Don't go with those. Don't go with the aux one. Don't go with you know your headphones. Go that because you're using that application to mask the sounds of the background. So go ahead and go with that one. And same thing as this one. Just go ahead and put the don't put the aux one. Just put the regular one and leave it as that. You could test it. You're probably gonna hear a little echo, but that's normal. Once you have that, just go ahead and close it, and you're set to go. So, yep, that's how you filter out the noise.